Hey everyone, today we got an unboxing from Sherry McMillion. I ordered 2 bottles of a hot sauce of her first batch that she ever made, I believe. Got this a couple weeks ago, so today I'm gonna finally open it. Here we go. And I'm looking forward to try this because everybody who's tried it loved it. And there's 1 bottle and 2 bottles. And here's a business card. Sherry McMillion. Pretty cool. I'm gonna put this up. Alrighty. Just got this. Got 2 bottles here. First bottle. There it is. The hottest peppers, garlic, onions, spices, liquid smoke. Warning, will burn skin, eyes, and stomach. There's the warning right here. Sherry's spontaneous combustion. And I can't read the small letters, the small print on the bottom right here, but there it is. Let's give it a shake. And we'll be trying these on El Rancho Tostitos chips. These are my favorite, and tortilla chips. Now, break these up for tortilla chips. Oh, these are golden right here. Take these, break them up. I love these things. And for dinner, I spread beans, cheese, put them in the toaster oven for a couple seconds, and boom, it's magic. So right here is my it's gonna be my taster thing. Here's Sherry McMillion's spontaneous combustion right here. Let's open this guy up here. Let's give it a good shake. It's got a real nice seal on here. Little oh, I just tore that off. And I don't have my knife on me. Alright, I'll be right back. And we're back. Oh, it smells good. I can smell it. It's leaking a little bit, but there we go. I just heard a pop. There we go. It's got your little flow restrictor. Little magic. Gone. Oh. Smells great. I'm trying to get everything in here. There's my Tostitos. Break off a little chip. I don't know if you can see that. Wow. I can see where everybody's liking this. Very good. It's pretty awesome, actually. Not good, awesome. Sherry, you got it going on right here. Awesome job on this. Wow. It's got nice heat. got a nice mouth burn, but it's nothing too overwhelming. You know, you're not gonna die. You're not gonna be in panic mode or laying on this couch here. Mm. Wow. I'm glad I got the last few bottles of this, of the first batch. It's really good. Wow. Really awesome. Sherry, thanks for making this. And I'm glad I bought it. Awesome stuff. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. It was a good buy right here. Awesome stuff. It's tacos, tostito, beans and cheese burritos. It's gonna be even better right now. Right to here. Alright, thank you. Until next time. Thank you, bye.